Yo, 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 1G, absolute value equation this time. So in the same way we did that absolute value inequality, we have to split it up into two separate solutions. A positive solution, where we just take the exact same thing without the absolute value, and then what I'm calling a negative solution, where we leave the absolute value bit alone, and then we take the exact opposite of the other side. So minus 3x minus 7, like that. So let's go ahead and solve each of these equations separately. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides because doing so will make my x term remain positive. So 3x minus 2x is x plus 7. Let's subtract 7 from both sides. So 1 equals x is maybe a solution. What other solution might there be? Let's add 3x to both sides this time. So I will get 5x plus 8 equals subtract, minus 7. Now subtract 8 from both sides. 5x equals negative 7 minus 8 is negative 15. Divide by 5, x equals negative 3 is maybe a solution. Why am I saying maybe? I'm saying maybe because when you deal with absolute value equations, you sometimes end up with extraneous solutions. And you have to check and make sure that the solution to the equation without the absolute value part of it is true when you plug it into the equation with the absolute value part. What do I mean? Well, I mean we need to take this 1 and plug it back into the original equation. So absolute value 2 times 1 plus 8. We want to know, does that equal 3 times 1 plus 7? And we check. We just simplify. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 8 is 10, and the absolute value of 10 is still 10. Does that equal 3 times 1 is 3 plus 7 is 10? Yes, it does. So 1 is a solution. What about negative 3? Well, now we plug in negative 3. So we get 2 times the absolute value, blah, 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 I can't talk. 2 times negative 3 plus 8, absolute value of that, equals 3 times negative 3 plus 7. Now solve it. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 8 is positive 2. Absolute value of positive 2 is 2. Equals 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 7 is negative 2. 2 does not equal negative 2. That is nothing but a bunch of poo. So cross that off. That means x equals negative 3 is extraneous. It is not a solution. The only solution is 1.